Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius, your favorite tech channel. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to obtain a fake WhatsApp account. You guys would have to keep something in mind. When I say fake WhatsApp, it doesn't mean that it's an illegal WhatsApp. It's going to be a legal WhatsApp, but it's not going to be in your original real number. For example, as you can take a look at this screenshot, this is actually a real WhatsApp which I had used previously, and obviously as you can see, this is not my real number, but I still had a WhatsApp account from this number. I don't even own this number. Okay, you people would have to understand this. I had this number for about 2 weeks. This is not my number. I had this number up for about 2 weeks. I cancelled this number voluntarily. I had this number entirely for free. So in this video I'm going to teach you guys how you can actually make a fake WhatsApp account. This can be called as a fake WhatsApp account, and this can also be called as a WhatsApp account made using a virtual number. So I'm going to teach you guys how to obtain a virtual number, from where can you obtain a virtual number, and how to make a WhatsApp account, and what are the errors you may face when you are using or you are trying to make use of the number which you got from a virtual number application or a temporary number application. Well, there are basically primarily two steps where you can obtain a number for the WhatsApp account. One is going to be you going to your browser, let's say Google Chrome, and searching for temporary USA number. It can be any country, USA, UK, but you would have more chance of rate of success by using the USA numbers. And go to any of the website. I'm not recommending this website. I'm just clicking it because it appears as first. Just remember, if you try the most famous websites, most probably you will not be able to make a WhatsApp account using the number, because this number would have already previously used by many people, so this number would obviously be banned by WhatsApp. As you can see, there are a lot of other websites where this number is being used. For example, Stripe, GoFundMe, Sandbox. Oh, that is an Happen account too. But just remember, this kind of method has few problems. Let's say if you are somehow miraculously making a WhatsApp account using this number, what is going to happen is that your account is going to be available for everyone for use. Like if someone here have made an Happen account using this number, if we go to Happen and use this number, we would get the OTP and we will be able to take over the account. So it's not going to be that good, right? So this is a method where you can actually use for other sites such as let's say Liberty Admin's application verification, something like this. But in case where you would have to make your own social media accounts as WhatsApp, I do not recommend this method, but I am still showing you guys this method because this is the most easiest method. The next method is going to be ridiculously tough. Just remember it. The next method is going to be using any of these applications over here. For example, TextNow. The applications which I show in this video are going to be second phone number applications where they give you a phone number for you. You would have control over this number for as long as you stay active in this application. As you can see, I have this number for me. So if you make a call to this number, I would pick up. So if you send an SMS to this number, it's going to come to me. And I am like using this number for the past 2 months. So I can guarantee the guys that as long as you make a call or text, or you get a call or text within a week, this number is going to be termed as an active number and you are going to be the owner of this number. This is a very good way to make social media accounts. I made the WhatsApp account using the number which I obtained from this TextPlus application. Just remember, not only TextPlus application, but there are a lot of other virtual number applications. But in this video, I'm just suggesting guys use TextPlus application, as it was the first application which gave me my virtual WhatsApp account, or should I say fake WhatsApp account. As you can see, I have posted other videos showing you guys what are the other TextPlus alternatives or what are the best applications for WhatsApp. I'll leave this video's links in the description and the first comment. I would pin the first comment, so I recommend you guys to go please take a look at these videos. Now you would have to remember a few things when using this number. You may face a lot of errors when using second phone number, when using the numbers which you got from the second phone number applications. There are primarily two errors which you may face. The one error is going to be, we couldn't send an SMS to your number, please check your number and try again in 1 hour. When you get this error is actually pretty easily solvable compared to the other error. All you have to do is keep trying for about, let's say, 10 times maximum, and if it's still not working, just change the number and use again. Change the number and try again. The second error is going to be this error: your number is not a valid mobile number for the country United States. This error is actually pretty easily solvable if the message shown here is true, but mostly if your number gets banned also, you would be displayed with this message. And in order to solve that error, you would have to go take a look at this video. This video's link is also going to be available in the description, the first pinned comment. So before quitting this video, please go take a look at it. Guys, that's it for today's video. I hope today's video is helpful to you. Wait, let me show you guys the proofs too, which shows you that I have used the TextNow application to make the WhatsApp account. As you can see, this is the proofs which I got from WhatsApp for making a WhatsApp account using the numbers. Now, once again, thanks for watching this video until the end. If you did enjoy this video, just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video, and I have something very important to share to you guys. The thing is, as of 2024, our channel is getting a huge update, and the update is going to be regarding the membership programs. Now, as our channel has become monetized, now you will be able to find the join button into the subscribe button. So first of all, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on the subscribe button and the bell button into the subscribe button, and after doing it, you would find the join button. I'm not forcing you to join, but please go take a look at the perks being provided if you become a member of a community. And guys, once again, thanks for watching this video until then. It's me, Surya Prakash, signing off. Let's meet again in the next video. Until then, bye.